Bende nyaka gisenya kwa Migago jatend piny William Ruto otelo eoro ote mag kuyo eloe enowuon kod elo jo Kenya kalure kod tho mar Mukami Kimathi. Ruto ywako Mukami kaka miyo majachir mane okedo ne loch Kenya kendo riwo oganda mag jokedo mag Mau. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua en achiel kuom jotelo mane ochopo e kar kano ringre mali kama ne okane ringre mosenindo Mukami Kimathi. Gachagua paro Mukami kaka miyo mane ohero kendo jiwo kwe kod achiel mar oganda.
Lived her life with fortitude and consistency. Never at one time did she change the ideals which she stood for and which even her late husband, Kimathi, was surely stood for. And further, I want to say that I believe firmly that it is still possible. Committee is not a whole country. It's a small place. It is still possible, probably with the support of the British government, to identify the actual place where Kimathi is buried. We exhume the remains of Kimathi, and as we bury Mukami Kimathi, we should have two coffins, that one of Mukami Kimathi and that one of Kimathi. May our Almighty God rest her soul in eternal peace.
For those of us who are conversant with this struggle, we want to say it's a very great loss, because all of us have been rallying behind Mukami as our mother and as a symbol of our lessons and our struggle. And we therefore want to say that the family is assured of government support during the preparation of the burial itself, and thereafter as we proceed on. Thank you very much.
Kopogore gi mano nyakora Migago jofuambo mag kambi